Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, share, comment, all that good stuff. Let's keep growing this community together. So today's video, we're going to be recreating this green eyeshadow look. I don't exactly know what to call this, but I think it's just a very sultry, very deep and heavy green eye makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care that seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this.
So I'm going to leave the brows here for now and go into doing my eyes. I'm going to start with this Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just going to go in with this brown shade here, and I'm just going to go over like my entire eye with it.
You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe.
Next, I'm taking this dark brown shade.
You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care that seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy. Somewhere in between.
So I'm going for a greenish type of look, so I'm going to use this Juvia's Place palette, and there are some green shades here. There's this one, but I want it a bit lighter, so it's going to be maybe this and then a bit of the yellow, just to give it that like brightness.
Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy. But somewhere in between. Somewhere in between.
So I'm going to go back into this Juvia's Chocolates palette, and I'm going to take this brown, which I used all over my eyes earlier, and I'm just going to use it to give a bit of a transition between this green and the brown. I'm also going to do like a bit of an orange thing to it, just to give it a bit of like a sunset feel. I don't know how to describe it.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you.
So I'm going to leave the eyes like this for now and then go back into it later, but I want to do my skin prep now. So I'll start by cleaning any fallout I have around my eyes.
Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking
Next, I'm
lately.
going to go in with this moisturizer from Corsx. It's the Advanced Snail All-in-One Cream. And I just usually take like this amount and it's enough to moisturize my skin.
You lie like alright, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you, 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 you. Baby, it's you, 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 you. What did you think? What did you could say whatever and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like alright, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you, 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 you. Baby, it's you, 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 you. Oh, if I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't shed face, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do to make you do? Oh, baby, it's you, you, it's you, it's you, it's you, walk out that door, no, yeah.
Baby, baby, you never really touched me lately. I get the feeling you're just not that into me no more. So, tell me, cause I can read your mind, I'm sorry. I need a little invite to your brain, just let me know. This is so confusing, all I feel is useless. Trying to fix a problem you can't admit you wanna fix. Why can't you be truthful? Honesty is crucial. Promise you that I'll be fine, baby, I can take a hint. You don't wanna talk about us, about stuff. And you don't wanna kiss, hold hands, make up. When I say let's break up, you say let's not. So I really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Easy breezy, nobody said that love is easy, but you can go around pretending I'm yours when I'm not. Oh, help me, cause I already have somebody else. She's in love with me, and the name is myself. This is so confusing, all I feel is useless. Trying to fix a problem you can't admit you wanna fix. Why can't you be truthful? Honesty is crucial. Promise you that I'll be fine, baby. I can take a hint. You don't wanna talk about us, about stuff, and you don't wanna kiss, hold hands, make up. When I say let's break up, you say let's not. So I really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Say what the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell, what the hell, what the hell you waiting for? What the hell you
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and let me know if you would be trying out this look. I think I really like it and it matches, you know, my hair. The aesthetic is giving, everything is giving. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Also follow me on my other social media. Everything is going to be linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video.